Hey, what's going on, everybody? Aaron Yoon here. You've just downloaded the iFlip free app, and I know you're excited to get started. So here's how you would set up your account from scratch. Let's open up the iFlip app here. If you already have an account, you can hit login on the bottom here, on the bottom right, or if you are setting up a new account, then hit new account on the upper right. Now this here is pretty self-explanatory. I am just entering my name and email address here. Setting up your password. I am very thankful that it's not displaying that on the share screen. That is awesome. Pleasant surprise. Hit the checkbox. Now before we proceed, I do want to show you one thing that will not work. Let's say I have a P.O. box 123 and you attempt to pass this through. You will get a error message on the bottom here saying that address must be a physical location. You cannot use a P.O. box to register for this app, this stock investing app, or any other. Right? It has to be a physical address. So let's just take care of that real quick. And if you're curious, this is my actual business number. If you want, you can call or text there to ask any questions about iFlip or any kind of personal finance. Anyway, now it's asking you, what are your affiliations? And I'm going to guess that the majority of you are going to answer to none of the above, which is the default selection. But just in case you are wondering, it's asking if you or any member of your family is a shareholder or senior officer of a publicly traded company. This is just a standard kind of question that you will be asked if you were to sign up with any kind of brokerage, or if you're a member, or if you or a member of your family is affiliated with the stock exchange or FINRA. Assuming that you're not, the default selection is fine. You hit the checkbox. And here we enter your social security number and your date of birth. For security purposes, I will block this information out. Check off the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then hit the check on the lower right. Assuming that all of the information here is correct, you would hit the yellow check mark on the bottom right. And the next step here is to upload a picture of your government ID. Now this is standard procedure. You can use your driver's license. That's what most people are going to end up using. But if you have a passport or a passport, that'll work as well. Again, for security purposes, I'm going to be blocking that number out. Once that's entered, you can hit this section up here, so where it says click here to upload image of government ID. I don't already have an existing photo of my license, so I'm just going to take a photo. Make sure you have a solid background and that your license is legible. And then you can make sure that your image takes up as much of the screen as possible, as much of the square area that they give you. So here you have all of the information complete, and you can move forward by hitting the check. You'll get a notification saying that you just got an email sent with a confirmation link. In order to log into the app, you have to verify your email. And so this is the verification email down here. It should the sender should be support@iflipfinancial.com. Make sure the sender is on your whitelist and you're not getting any, it's not going into your spam folder or anything like that. Just hit verify email, and you'll see that your email is confirmed, and you may now log into your app. So let's go back to the mobile app and just log in. With your password there, hit the check. Boom. And if you want notifications, you can hit allow or don't allow it. That's totally up to you. And you'll see that now your account is still awaiting approval. When you log in, there should be an automated email generated that is something like this, saying that the compliance team will review your application and notify you when the review is completed. For me, literally an hour and a half or so later, I got an approval email saying that I'm all set to go and I can log in.